Let's explore the incredible city of Kyoto.
Where are we going next? Let's go.
Kyoto is a magical city steeped in tradition and history. We start in Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. It is best to arrive here as early as possible, as it quickly becomes crowded. Across the river from the bamboo grove is the monkey park, Iwatayama. This can be a great experience, especially if you have younger ones. Alas, we did not have time, so we left this for a future return trip. Because Japan's public transport is so amazing, hop on a city bus and enjoy the ride to Ryoanji. From there, it is an easy 20-minute walk to one of the most iconic and well-known temples, Kinkaku-ji, or the Golden Temple. We decided to do a bit of a touristy thing and rented kimonos. There are several shops that offer this service. We had a heck of a time finding our shop. I won't get into the entire story here, but the link to my blog will fill you in on our experience. The kiyomizu-dera temple has a unique feature, the pure water temple. Here, you are to drink from one of the provided cups. Each of the streams are said to bring a different effect: success, love, or longevity. But only drink from one, as it is considered greedy to drink from all. This temple complex has several important points of interest, so be sure to allow sufficient time to explore. Of course, one of the most Instagrammable spots with a view of the main hall overlooking Kyoto below. You want to time your arrival in Gion to early evening in hopes of catching a glimpse of the elusive and mysterious geisha on her way to work for the evening. Kyoto is even more magical as night falls. If you're looking for a fun way to spend the day, check the description below for your free walking tour guide of Kyoto. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Where are we going next? Let's go.